demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your JET 17-inch drill press. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. After each use, clean sawdust from the table with a brush or compressed air. Periodically, apply a light film of oil to the quill and column. This will reduce wear, prevent rust, and assure ease of operation. Apply number 2 tube grease to the worm gear and rack, then run the table up and down to spread. Also apply to the table elevation mechanism, the splines in the spindle, and the teeth of the quill. Check that bolts are tight and electrical cords are in good condition. Belts should be in good condition, with no signs of cracks, frays, or deterioration. Periodically, blow out any dust from the fan cover of the motor. Exposed metal surfaces of the table and base should be kept clean and free of rust. Protective sprays or paste wax are available from most hardware stores. Avoid wax that contains silicone or other synthetic ingredients, as these materials can find their way into lumber and make staining and finishing difficult. The quill return spring should receive SAE 20 oil once yearly. Apply the oil beneath the spring housing using a squirt can. To loosen and remove the existing poly V-belts, open the belt cover and loosen the knob. Pull the tensioner away from the belt to release the tension. Consult the speed chart and position the belts according to your desired RPM based on the material you're working with. Once the belts are properly seated in the grooves of each pulley, push the tensioner into the belt and tighten the knob. Lastly, close the hood. If you have any further maintenance questions about your JET 17-inch drill press, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your JET tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each JET tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.